This is rice sevai. Rice sevai 1 cup. Take rice sevai 1 cup. Take 2 cups of milk. Two cups of milk. We are going to use sugar free. Take 2 cups of milk in kadhai or big dip pan. Add sugar free tablets, 6 sugar free tablets. Add a cup of sevai, rice sevai. We are making sugar free rice sevai. Stir it continuously till the rice sevai cooked. Stir it continuously till the rice sevai get cooked. It's almost done. See? If you want more sweet, you can add 2 more sweetener tablets in it, sugar free tablets. I have added 6 tablets for 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of rice sevai. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder in it and mix it. Our rice sevai is almost done. See, we will serve it now. Switch off the flame. Serve the rice sevai. It's hot. So here is our rice sevai. It's delicious, it's hot, and you can eat it after refrigerating it as a cool, cold dessert.